You mentioned, you brought it up earlier, a little bit about the work-life balance. Can you talk a little bit about what you do to maintain your work-life balance?
There is no work-life balance. And that's the decision that each person has to make. What are you willing to sacrifice for your goals? What is your why? I mean, a lot of time, if your why is to have a work-life balance, then you can definitely make it happen. But I would say until you can get yourself out of the business and not everything running through you, and it doesn't matter what business it is, you're gonna have a very hard time with the work-life balance because everything has to run through you, which means you're always on. Now, my 24th year, I've gotten to that point where I've got a great work-life balance. I can choose how much I want to work. Now it's more of a choice versus the last 20 some years. It wasn't a choice. It's in a sense it's a prison that you're in, because if you don't go out and sell, if you don't go out and collect the check, if you don't go out and find the crews, if you don't go out and do all those things, like, the business just stops. So once you can get past that point, it's a much better, much easier lifestyle to kind of absorb. But owning your own business, you are tied to that business. There's very little work-life balance. People think by owning their own business they have all the time and freedom. No, not even. If you want that, go be an employee.